This video will cover moderate part 2 questions regarding the limit of trigonometric function. This is the first question. We need a substitution. Let x minus pi over 2 be t. So x equals t, this one move to the right, plus pi over 2. When x approaches pi over 2, it is the same as t approaches 0. We can rewrite as limit as t approaches 0 sine 2x means t plus pi over 2 over cosine x means t plus pi over 2. Then limit as t approaches 0 sine, expand the inside of the bracket, 2t plus pi over cosine t plus pi over 2. Do you remember this identity? Sine a plus b equals sine a cosine b plus cosine a sine b. Cosine a plus b equals cosine a cosine b minus sine a sine b. Next one, the limit as t approaches 0. In the numerator, follow this formula. Sine 2t cosine pi plus cosine 2t sine pi over, in the denominator part is the next one, cosine t cosine pi over 2 minus sine t sine pi over 2. Then limit as t approaches 0 sine 2t cosine pi means minus 1 plus cosine 2t sine pi means 0 over cosine t cosine pi over 2 means 0 minus sine t sine pi over 2 means 1. Then the numerator is minus sine 2t plus 0 over 0 minus sine t. Then this one is limit as t approaches 0, make positive, sine 2t over sine t. Do you remember this one? Just take the number 2 over 1, which is 2. That is the final answer. This is the next question. The denominator can be factored. Keep the numerator part, and then denominator take out x, then x plus 1. Then we can rewrite as limit as x approaches 0 sine 5x over x times 1 over x plus 1. Use the limit law. Keep the first limit, then times limit as x approaches 0 1 over x plus 1. And then do you remember the formula? Limit as x approaches 0 sine ax over bx equal a over b. Just take the number. So this one, the 5 over 1, this one, so 5 over 1 times, when you put 0 into x, 1 over 0 plus 1. So 5 times 1 equals 5. This is the next one. we can rewrite as limit as x approaches 0 sine 2x over x times sine 2x over x equals limit as x approaches 0. The limit of the product is the product of the limit. Then expand like this times limit as x approaches 0 and another sine 2x over x. Then first one is 2, then second one is another 2. So the answer is 4. This is the next question. We can rewrite as limit as x approaches 0, 1 over 2 times tangent x over x cubed. Use this technique, is the same. And then this one is limit as x approaches 0, 1 over 2 times limit as x approaches 0, tangent x over x to the power of 3. So first limit is 1 over 2 times this one is 1 cubed. So the final answer is 1 over 2. Please remember, only in the limit problem think of tangent as a sign and find the answer. In this problem, use substitution. Let tangent x be a. When x approaches 0, it is the same as a approaches 0. So that one is a approaches 0. Sine tangent x means a over a. So that final answer is 1. This is the last one. Use double angle identity. So cosine 2x equals cosine squared x minus sine squared x, or 2 cosine squared x minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Please remember this one. But I will take the last one here because we don't need 1 in the denominator. It becomes limit as x approaches 0, 3x squared over 1 minus that one, 1 minus 2 sine squared x. So cancel 1 minus 1. Then limit as x approaches 0, 3x squared over minus minus, which means plus, 2 sine squared x. Limit as x approaches 0, that one, 3 over 2 times x squared, like this. X squared over sine squared x can be rewritten as x over sine x squared. Then use the limit law. Limit as x approaches 0, 3 over 2 times limit as x approaches 0, x over sine x squared equals 3 over 2 times 1, which is 3 over 2. This is the final answer. I hope this video has been helpful. The previous lesson is also linked in the description bar below. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.